Outside, Diane. Water setting. Yes, no, but you're afraid of the seaweed. Yeah. See? Look, look good enough. See it? When I see massive, watch.
Not at all. Not at all.
You take off everything outside.
Yeah. Yes, massive. So it's another day we actually pull up in a Waves beach. You know, Diane said beach today, so we're going to showcase some beach. And well, beach of choice today, a Waves beach. You understand? Diane, what you say? Ready for the beach?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, on week.
Huh?
Okay.
Alright, we're there.
I think it's they got all of them. Like I see people
It's a large surface surface.
okay. All time. You know I'm like, hello. Said she was never lucky with any of us. Yeah, none of us.
Alright, for the steamed fish, we don't want the steamed fish spicy, none at all. Because we want the baby to get it.
Yeah, accessible. Huh?
No, give her at least 6, so we can probably eat too. Diane, Waves Beach. How you been? Beautiful.
Beautiful coconut palm tree. Yeah, my cousin's papa. Yeah.
Never experienced.
Big up a shrimp lady. Every time. What's your name, Mama?
My name is Faith. Everybody call me Pammy.
Big up Miss Fear, original Pammy.
I'm on this for the past like 33 years.
About 33 years?
Yes.
Martin,
Yeah.
that is it. Waves Beach. Big up yourself, you're Miss Pammy?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Oh, so you got all the friends. So she was pregnant. I said, can I take some breast milk?
I say you eat it, Diane.
Make Fabian taste the breast.
Huh? It's disgusting. I spit it out.
My one.
And take out one, give me. Let me show you something. Just take out one. Take it out. Take out one for me.
Wait, hold on. Oh, shit, buddy. I eating it wrong.
Yeah, look, just look, watch me. Look how me eat it. See that?
Yeah.
See? Look, look good enough. See it? When I see massive, watch.
Not at all. Not at all.
You take off everything outside.
Yeah, now I get it.
Woo!
a lot of work.
No man, it's a lot of work because you do it like that.
Doing it wrong, Diane. That's just
Nah, me can't.
Yeah, you have to just do it.
Hello, good morning, how are you?
Blessed love, my sister. No, you know, we actually had already, mama.
Alright, I'm gonna give you a flyers next time I come here and just give me help to support, yeah?
Alright, yeah, man, me give you flyers too.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Are you hearing this?
Yes, darling.
That is it. So when you come at West Beach,
Yeah.
we can give her support. Massive, see her number here. Give her a link. She do fish and all them thing there. And all of that. So what them liquor there for? You sell liquor too?
Yes.
Where you spot there?
Yeah, this is the yellow class right here. That is the bar.
Yeah. Okay, so your place at over there. So alright, when me done, me I come take a look here.
Yeah, man.
And we are support the bar, see?
Yeah, man.
Bless you. What's your name again?
My name is Diana.
Diane, big up Diane.
My name is Amarachi Chill Spot.
Amarati Chill Spot.
Amarachi
Amarachi
Chill Spot.
Chill Spot, alright. Amarachi Chill Spot. Big up every time. Message love. You so can support, is it?
Yeah.
That is it.
The food will take like an hour or two to cook, right?
for everything, no? I mean, it may take that long to prepare, but probably from other artists before.
Okay.
So that would have Move! Move!
I'm gonna give him this.
And then
I must have treated him bad.
Don't know about this pan. They want to eat that
pepper.
pan.
Okay.
One thing I love about them, they're very big on that because they have 8. If you have dogs and you don't take care of them, they fine you. I think they should do that all the time. Maybe on yesterday when I see the dog, I like the thing bother me, no? Maybe on you night thing about that thing last night, even when I got back to the hotel.
What happened?
what that?
When the guy licked the dog.
Oh, downtown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you're running.
Outside, Diane. Water setting. Yes, no, but you're afraid of the seaweed. Yes. Outside. She said she can't swim. So she'll take 2 dip. Dip. Jamaica.
Wow, Jamaica.
Beautiful.
That's how I swim.
Outside. I say swim.
No,
Dip.
yeah.
Dip up and down.
Let's see if I can do this way.
Wait. Face barely touch the water. Alright. Yeah. Waves Beach. No joke. Alright, there we are found. Lexi, you say ready? Dance, Diane, dance. Dance.
I'm not. There's no love for the pepper.
just leave Waves Beach and oh my god, Diane, how was it?
Nice.
Nice.
Can I get that?
Nice. Where's the food, vibe, everything?
Vibes was good.
I know, I'm tired.
Music video, remember?
Eh?
We just shot a music
Oh,
video.
yes.
I would just shoot a
That's
Lexi
right.
said we just shoot a music video.
That's what it is.
Yeah, no joking, man. Yeah. So yes, massive. It's all about Waves Beach a while ago. It was a great vibe. Love it. Just glad to Diana enjoy yourself and thing. Yeah. How was the lobster?
It was good.
That's it. We're outside. Yeah. So tonight we probably go Mojito Mondays. We call it Daddy Sunday.
Oh, that,
Probably, me not 100% sure, but me da want maybe pass through Daddy Sunday make you see.
that's a club thing.
Yeah, that's TC and Rebel and pretty party. Yeah. Yeah, but it is more of a street dance type of thing, but
Oh,
then just keep it in a one place.
me kind of like clubs.
Alright, but see, we outside.
I'm more like shoe